fans, I'm sitting in my park, local park, thinking, as I often do, about physics and the use of physics in our everyday life. I'm thinking about the electromagnetic spectrum. We've had a few videos on this. And I'm thinking about ultraviolet light. The sun provides us with quite a lot of ultraviolet light, and it actually is a problem for us. Whatever carries ultraviolet light from the sun to us, be it particles or be it waves, there is more energy involved than for visible light. And it appears that this interaction between this ultraviolet light and our skin leads to damage to our skin. And I was a bit perturbed recently when I saw on social media that someone suggested that ultraviolet light, there is evidence that ultraviolet light does not cause skin cancer. I would like to say there is evidence that ultraviolet light does not cause skin cancer. What we do know, and you can prove for yourself in experiments you can do at home, we do know that ultraviolet light damages our skin. We get sunburn. That is from ultraviolet light. And this damages, after some time, the DNA in our body, and it is this which we believe leads to skin cancer. One thing in my argument, in favour of my argument, is that there are more skin cancer patients in Northern Europe than there are in China or in Eastern Asian countries, because in East Asian countries they protect themselves from the sun, whereas we tend to lie in the sun. Now, how can you prove any of this to yourself? You shouldn't always read things and believe other people. Well, ultraviolet light will not transmit through the windows, the glass in our windows. Therefore, if you sit in your room on a very sunny day, sit in the sun but behind a closed window, you will not burn. Nothing will happen. Then do repeat the experiment exactly the same amount of time and try to find a day where the ultraviolet contribution is about the same that is given on news channels, and sit out in the sun and see what happens. Sitting out in the sun, your skin will turn pink depending on how long you sit out, and it hurts. I've done it. But sitting behind a window, nothing will happen. We use this on aeroplanes. Sit behind the glass, the pilot does not burn so badly as he would do if the glass transmitted the ultraviolet. So think about this. It is your life, and you can avoid or try to avoid possible skin cancer in the future by thinking about protecting yourself from ultraviolet. I will make a video at some stage about protection from ultraviolet light. Thank you for today.